Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create WhatsApp channel. First thing that you will do is open up the WhatsApp, and from here make sure you are running the latest version as well. And now just simply tap on updates over here down below, guys. And now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here, create channel. So tap on that and tap on continue. And from here, just simply provide a channel name. I'm going to go for how to and tap on create channel. And after that, you should be able to have your channel over here. And as you can see, if you want to start growing, you can just simply tap on add description over here to add a description about your channel. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on save changes, and you can share the channel link as well over here, and you can share it to your status as well. And now from here, you can do some updates, and it will pretty much be depending on you. And guys, when you tap on the three dots at the top right, you should have here channel info and channel settings. So from here, you will have more detailed options to your channel. You can invite people, you can have the channel link, you can transfer the ownership. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.